A tree took down a power line near Logan and Maple. Photo. Adam Vance. KUSA. Denver. Wind and heavy snow from Wednesday. Blizzard has caused scores of power outages throughout the Denver metro area and beyond. At one point, over 190,000 XL customers were without power. As of 6 p.m., power had been restored to about half of those customers. Xcel Energy Colorado says about 550 employees are responding to outages throughout the state, with another 100 expected to join. Xcel provides power to about 60% of the state. To report an outage, go to http://bit.ly 1xneaa6 copyright 2016 KUSA.